Genius. This is a cordless UV ultrasonic retainer slash denture slash small item cleaner. I was at this review from Binefia, so let's check it out. Manual, the device in a nice branded carry pouch. And here it is, nice, compact, modern, sleek look. Got little grippy feet down there. Here is the charging port. Boop. And then down in here, they even include tweezers so you can get your items in and out. Just pop it open. Let's see what we got here. A cleaning cloth and the charging cord. It is a standard USB-C to USB charging cord. So if you lose this, no problem. You probably have a million of these around. And then that's gonna plug into a charging port or your computer, or if you have a wall plug laying around. There we go. Charging has commenced. Nice size in here. They do have the max fill line. Then power on and modes. Let's check this out. This is the user's manual for the cordless rechargeable ultrasonic retainer cleaner from Binefia. There's your diagram, how to use it, and how to care for it, as well as a list of what it is suitable for, including retainers, dentures, mouth guards, toothbrush heads, jewelry, clear aligners, night guards, whitening trays, makeup brushes, and watch bands. Wow, this is actually way more useful than I even realized. Okay, we're gonna fill with water. I'm gonna clean my clear aligners, my retainers. I'm going to clean one and not the other, and then we can do kind of a side by side. But you'll see, like, they're foggy a little bit, but I keep them pretty clean. They're not stained or anything because I brush them, which is actually not recommended because you can create little micro scratches and stuff where bacteria can take hold. So this is where the UV light in here can help me keep them clean, but also can help clean them instead of brushing them. So let's go. Pop one in here and turn it on. You can clean for 600 seconds without the UV light, just the vibration. You can do clean, vibration, and light for 300 seconds or 600 seconds. And you can do just the light, no vibration for 600 seconds. So we're gonna do 300 seconds using the vibration and the light. It's very quiet, and again, completely cordless. This is insane. Like, you could do this anywhere. All right, we are done. No beeping or anything noisy. It's so quiet. Here is the before. Let's go ahead and take this out. Ooh, look at that. It really looks like it did a good job. Again, there were no stains or anything, but it's much more clear. Wow. So yeah, this is cleaning without any chemicals, without the cleaning tablets, no residue, nothing. It's literally just the water, vibration, and the UV light. So wow, super impressed with this. This is one of the coolest things about it, that you can clean toothbrush heads. You could take the heads off, but basically you just shove it down through the lid, and you don't even have to take it off of the electric toothbrush. And then if you have a regular toothbrush, you just put it in there like that. It goes in here. This is so genius. And again, it's cordless, so you can bring it up to the bathroom, you can bring it to your room, blah, 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 like wherever you want to use it. Boom. We are vibrating with UV light. Guys, amazing, amazing, amazing. If you're looking for a great way to clean your retainers, mouth guards, all that stuff, this is amazing. I love how quiet it is. I love that it's cordless, that you don't need to use the cleaning tablets, which they get pricey, I'm gonna tell you. And sometimes they leave residue and you're like, what's in them? And it's a little weird because you're putting stuff in your mouth after using them, right? So this is just amazing. Binefia, whatever it is, get this, guys. Link in video description below.